So, knees underneath the table, hands on the knees. Yep.
That's gonna be tight.
You can knock the table over if you want. I don't care.
Okay.
And your flashlight's on. I'm just glad you had that on low.
Oh, it defaults to low. Thank God.
Okay, is the shooter ready?
Yes.
Stand by.
Get down.
Is the shooter finished?
No, but I might as well be.
Unload, so clear. Slide forward, shoot the berm, holster. Range is safe. Time 6.4. Make ready.
Three shots each, tactical priority, whatever priority.
Confirm.
Yes.
Shooter ready.
Yes, sir.
Stand by. Unload, show clear. Slide forward, berm, holster. Range is safe. Your time is 18.78.
Good job.
We'll see.
Target 1. 1. Target 2. 0.
Okay.
Target 3. 0. Target 4. 3.
Close enough.
Pretty close.
They're all in a tight group. That's all I care about.
Nice.
Thank you.
Is the shooter ready?
Yes.
Stand by.
One more.
Unload, show clear. Slide forward, shoot the berm. Holster. Range is safe. Time 17.86.
Come here.
0.
Oh, thank you.
1.
Okay.
Oh, I don't know.
I guess that's a 6. 0.
Okay.
Is the shooter ready?
And we'll be in a second.
All right. Indicate when you are ready.
45.
Ready.
Stand by.
5 minutes.
If the shooter's finished, unload, show clear. Slide forward, shoot the berm, holster. Range is safe. His time is a 16.96.
16.96.
Scoring is 1,
Bummer.
2, 1, 2, 2.
None of these are going home.
0.
Okay, fine.
I got to take right here.